Alright, so in this quick video we are just going to sort out a few things inside the app.js file, and what we're going to do here is we are going to get rid of all of the comments, and we are also going to go up here and put in the necessary imports for the application to have the UI in there. So we are going to also import Vue from Vue. And beside that, we just want to have one more thing, and that is going to be view.use element.ui, and then that actually be all for this video, because we have already set up the CSF and we have set up the element.ui. And in the next video, what we are going to do is we're going to be able to add in the navigation component, which we're going to put in here, and we're going to add up top of here, and then we're going to have the router as well. So we're going to have two things here. So we're going to have navigation component, and then we want to have the router component that basically allows us to render multiple routes, and that is what we will be able to do very soon. And then we're also gonna get use of the router file in here. And when we set up the most basic thing of the front end, like the Vuex and the router system, we are then gonna continue on throughout the navigation by design and then authentication, because we need the navigation bar in order to have a successful authentication, so we can basically display the user link up in the profile bar if they log it in, so we can allow them to edit the profile and so on, put in the links there for that. So that will actually be all for this video, so I will see you in the next video.